Hello and welcome to the INNI Site Sizing Guide. This video will be an in-depth look at how to cut and assemble the INNI for your specific project. The INNI was designed to be extremely versatile and functional. A single INNI can be as short as 21 inches or as long as 73 inches. Multiple drains can also be linked together to form any desired length. The main channel of the INNI is 62 inches long and may need to be rough cut to fit within the space. Measure from the center of the waste pipe to each wall and cut the main channel within 1 to 2 inches of the rough framing. After cutting the main channel, place it back into the space, being sure to align it with the waste pipe or centerline mark. Use the end sweeps, a square, and a sharp knife to mark the main channel for the final cut. The INNI can be cut with a wet saw, miter saw, or circular saw. The most important part of the cut is that it is made true and square. After cutting, make sure to go through and deburr the cut areas. Dry fit the main channel and end sweeps together, and make sure the whole assembly fits between the walls. After ensuring that all the parts are cut correctly, we'll need to drill 4 holes, 2 on each end of the main channel, which will be used to attach the end sweeps to the main channel. Use the supplied drill guide to accurately locate the 4 holes in the correct positions. Also supplied with the kit is a countersink guide that helps to gauge the depth of the countersinks to ensure that the screws will be flush with the bonding faces. After drilling and countersinking the 4 holes, turn the INNI over. The bottom surface of the INNI is marked with zones A, B, C, and D. These zones indicate which transition ramp is to be used. In our case, the INNI was cut to zone C, so we need the left and right C ramps. If the main channel cut intersects a rib, part of the ramp rib will need to be removed. The ramp rib can be cut off with a tile saw or utility knife. When making the cut, make sure that the rib has been removed all the way so that it will not interfere when installing the end sweep. Pour some ABS cement into the squeeze bottle and have 4 screws ready to attach the end sweeps to the main channel. Apply a bead of ABS cement as shown and install the left and right transition ramps into the end sweeps, making sure that the ramp sits flush with the flow surface of the end sweep. Apply ABS cement to the end sweep as shown. Use a sufficient amount of glue to ensure a good bond. However, using more glue than needed will require more cleanup of the flow surfaces. After gluing one end sweep, quickly attach it to the main channel to prevent the glue from skinning. Use the 2 screws to securely attach the end sweep to the main channel. Be sure to support the joint between the end sweep and the main channel with a block of wood or stack of tile to ensure that the joint is not assembled at an angle. Assembling the end sweeps at an angle may cause a joint failure and cause the bonding faces to be misaligned. After assembling the end sweep to the main channel, use the supplied cotton swabs to clean the flow channel of any excess ABS cement. Turn the INNI upside down and caulk the joint between the main channel and the end sweep. Apply a bead of ABS cement around the radius pocket and at the rib, which is not shown but is needed, and then install the end sweep deck cover. Repeat this process to join the other end sweep to the main channel. Next, we need to install the 2 aluminum straightening and stiffening rails. Make sure to install the labeled slot side rail on the slot side. The rails should sit flush with the bottom of the main channel after installation. Place the rails next to the main channel and mark where they will need to be cut to fit between the end sweeps. Both rails should be cut to the same length. Rails can be cut with a tile saw, hack saw, or carbide tipped miter saw. After cutting, peel off the red pressure sensitive adhesive liner from the rails and push them into position along the channel. Use a hammer handle, 2x4, or other object to firmly press and push the rails into position. With the rails in position, 6 additional holes are now drilled through the bonding flanges into the rails. Use the lobed portion of the drill guide to help locate the holes. The countersink guide will also be used to recess the screw heads. Install the 6 screws just tight enough to ensure that the rail is attached. Over-tightening will strip the aluminum and a new hole will need to be drilled. Congratulations! The INNI has now been site-sized and is ready to be installed. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to know more, check out our website at ebbe-america.com for more product and installation videos.